Metropolis series, sleek silhouettes and 360-degree unstoppable protection.
If you are interested in buying this case, link is available in the description below.
Always using premium materials, this series is functionality and protection in perfect harmony. Bring your essentials along for the ride with multiple slots in the inner tab of the case. Available in 3 variants: smooth finish PU, supple Italian leather, and high-strength abrasion-resistant fabric, Armortex. Equip your iPhone with extreme, military-grade protection and storage for cards with the Metropolis rugged wallet case from UAG. Impact and water resistant. This is the ideal way of protecting your phone and providing card storage. The built-in patented impact-resistant technology fuses an extremely light honeycomb core with a soft rubberized binding for expert extreme protection. The unique shape of the UAG Metropolis protective wallet case also provides superb structural rigidity, and the front cover keeps your screen scratch-free, so that your stays looking as good as the day you bought it. This thoughtful design has it covered with a built-in pouch on the inside of the folio cover, specifically designed to hold credit cards, cash, store cards, driving license or anything else of similar size. So you can leave your old wallet at home, as this case has it all covered. Featuring frogskin technology, the UAG Metropolis wallet case provides assured grip in all conditions. The stylish soft rubberized texture of the frogskin technology looks fantastic whilst keeping your phone protected at all times. This represents the most protection from a UAG case yet seen, and that is certainly saying something. This stylish case is designed for everyday use and way beyond. You could call this over-engineering, but when it comes to protecting your precious iPhone, that's not a bad thing at all. Meets military drop test standards, providing superior shock protection. What this means is that this case has been tested over and over with drops from 4 feet, resulting in no damage to the test phone at all. The UAG Metropolis rugged wallet case provides full functionality for your iPhone via special cutouts for port features. This includes a cutout for the rear camera and flash, so you can enjoy taking pictures on your latest adventure. Volume controls are protected by tactile heavy-duty TPU buttons that are easy to operate even if you're wearing gloves. Enjoy the benefits of wirelessly charging your iPhone even with the case on using any Qi-compatible wireless charging pad. Protect your phone from any possible harm and still charge your phone using the modern spectacle of wireless charging.